the concentration will be on how to connect the single phase supply to this variable frequency drive, and then the connection that will be taken from here to the motor. All right, so when you look at the VFD critically, you can see that here we have L1, then L2, then L3. Then these three are supposed to be going to the motor terminal. So you have T1, T2, and then T3. All right. So this VFD, you can use it for three-phase inputs and then three-phase outputs to the motor. And you can also use it for single-phase inputs and then three-phase outputs to the motor. But in this case, out of these three phases, I'm going to connect just live and neutral. So my input live goes to L3, and then I'll connect neutral to L1. So to the motor, I have T1, T2, and then T3.